The Jaram Cave. The Jaram Cave is supported at the Rama Cave, which was inscribed in the third side of the first stele that there was a stele in Cherian town. The Jaram Cave is located in Munai Wang Nam Khao Sat district, Da Lan Hoi of Sukhothai province, which is about 23 kilometers away from Thung Saliem district. Nowadays, it is under the protection of Royal Forest Department. There are a number of bats inhabiting in the cave leading to a lot of their excrement, which can be used as fertilizer. The official of Sukhothai province hold the ecotourism including the sightseeing at the Jaram Cave and a colony of about 100,000 of bats which fly out from the cave at night for finding food. Bats communicate with each other by emitting the sonar wave to avoid obstacles. The bat which inhabits in the Jaram Cave is a species which eats insects and nectar. The surprise fact about bats is every time when the colony of bats fly out of the cave for insects for food, the bats will be responsible at the commando. That is, they will sacrifice themselves and divide the hawk waiting to catch bats for food to follow them so that bats can consecutively fly out from the cave for 2 hours. The visitors will see an exciting experience about 100,000 of bats fly hunting as the curve line across the sky in the twilight. Then, the colony of bats will fly back to the cave in the dawn.